What's the meaning of contiguity? Contiguity. Contiguity.
Contiguity. Contiguity. Contiguity is a term used to describe the property of being adjacent or touching. Specifically, it refers to the relationship between two or more objects or regions that share a common boundary without any intervening space. This concept is important in various fields, including mathematics, geography, and computer science, as it helps define the spatial relationships and proximity between different entities. Understanding contiguity is crucial for tasks such as data visualization, image analysis, and map making, as it helps to accurately represent the physical world and its features.